Have you ever felt that life is just not moving forward? You wake up every day, you do the same things, and nothing changes. You're not lazy, you're not unmotivated. You just don't know where to start. And the longer you wait, the harder it is for you to make the next move. But what if the answer is simpler than you think? What if you didn't have to figure it out all on your own? It's never too late to change your situation. All you need is the right path to follow. I have an automated system that sells my digital products online. I've been doing so since April 2024. I make daily pay instead of a monthly salary. And you can too, if you would like further information regarding my six-figure blueprint, and you want to know how you can be paid multiple times a month instead of being paid once a month, put yes in the comments and I'd gladly get back to you with all those details.